Before buying studio monitors, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. It's about sound accuracy and how it can make or break your audio projects. Let's uncover the best options out there without the fluff.
Product number 1, Ohio 60-watt speakers. The Ohio 60-watt computer speakers caught my eye right away with their sleek design and budget-friendly price of $69.99. If you want powerful sound without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. These speakers offer 30 watts per channel, delivering distortion-free sound that's perfect for gaming or music. With a frequency response of 20 kilohertz, you can expect crisp highs and rich mid-bass, which is essential for studio work. Plus, their Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity means you can easily connect to your devices without a hassle. And here's why this matters for you specifically. The rear bass port enhances low-end depth, so you're getting that full-bodied sound without the need for a subwoofer. Now, some people complained about the lack of advanced controls or EQ settings. Here's the thing though, for casual listening and gaming, this isn't a deal breaker. If you're a professional sound engineer, you might want something more customizable, but for most users, it's just fine. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a compact, budget-friendly setup that still sounds great. Skip this one if you need extensive audio controls or are working in a professional studio setting. For the price, this speaker offers fantastic value. Now, if Ohio's lack of advanced features bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Edifier MR3 monitors. We have the Edifier MR3 powered studio monitor speakers priced at $99.98. This option really stood out to me because of its high-res audio certification, which is a big deal for anyone serious about sound quality. If you want accurate sound for music production, this is worth a serious look. With a frequency response of 40 kilohertz, these monitors deliver a flat response across a wide range, ensuring that what you hear is what you get. That's crucial when you're mixing or editing music. Plus, with 42 watts max output and a peak SPL of 92.5 dB, they deliver powerful sound that fills the room. You can also customize your audio experience with different modes through the Edifier Connects app, allowing you to tailor the sound to your specific needs. Some users noted that the Bluetooth connection can be a bit finicky at times, but honestly, for studio work, you'll likely use wired connections anyway, so it's not a deal breaker for most. This is perfect for you if you're a budding producer or just want great sound for your everyday listening. Skip this one if you're looking for the most robust Bluetooth functionality or plan on using it solely for wireless playback. For the price, you're getting fantastic sound quality. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want something a little more powerful. Product number 3, PreSonus Iris 3.5. The PreSonus Iris 3.5 studio monitors are up next, also at $99.99. They immediately capture your attention with their compact design and reputation for studio quality sound. If you're into music production, this is worth a serious look. These monitors pack a punch with 50 watts of power and a frequency response that hits as low as 20 kilohertz. The woven composite woofers provide tight bass, and the silk dome tweeters offer clear highs. This means that you can trust what you hear while mixing and producing. Plus, they come with tuning controls that let you adjust the sound to fit your room, which is pretty handy. However, some users mention that the low end could be a bit lacking for bass-heavy music. Here's the thing though. For most genres and general use, they perform exceptionally well. If you're primarily mixing EDM or hip-hop, you might want a subwoofer, but otherwise, they're great. This is perfect for you if you're serious about music production and want accurate sound in a small package. Skip this one if you're mainly into bass-heavy genres and need a deeper low end. You get excellent value here for the price. Now, if the PreSonus's low end concerns you, this next one offers a bit more flexibility in sound customization. Product number 4, Mackie CR3.5. We have the Mackie CR3.5 studio monitors, which also come in at $99.99. What really caught my attention here is their versatile use. They can work as studio monitors and casual speakers. If you want something that can do it all, this is worth a serious look. With 50 watts of power and a frequency response up to 20 kilohertz, these monitors deliver a balanced sound. The tone knob lets you adjust the bass and treble to your liking, which is great for whatever you're listening to, whether it's music, gaming, or just chilling out. Plus, the location switch allows you to optimize the sound depending on where you place them, making them adaptable to your setup. However, some reviews pointed out that they can lack depth and bass compared to larger monitors. But here's the deal. For casual listeners and gamers, the sound quality is more than sufficient. If you're a pro mixing engineer, you might want something with more bass response, but for most users, they get the job done nicely. This is perfect for you if you want a versatile speaker that can double as gaming and music monitors. Skip this one if you're looking for serious low-end power for professional mixing. For the price, you can't really beat the quality. Alright, that was a solid option, but let's check out one more that promises studio quality sound with a bit more flair. Product number 5, Edifier MR4 monitors. We have the Edifier MR4 powered studio monitor speakers, priced at $169.99. This model really grabbed my attention because it's geared towards serious audio production without going overboard on price. If you want true studio quality, this is worth a serious look. The MR4 boasts a flat frequency response and a powerful 42 watts, producing clean, smooth sound thanks to its silk dome tweeter and composite woofer. This is essential for accurately mixing and mastering audio. With flexible connectivity options and dual mode design, it fits right into any studio setup. Switching between monitor mode and music mode is a breeze. Now, I did notice some users mentioned they found the speaker placement a bit tricky due to their weight. But honestly, once you find the right spot, the sound is fantastic. It's not a deal breaker, especially for the audio quality you're getting. This is perfect for you if you're a music creator looking for accurate sound reproduction. Skip this one if you're looking for portable speakers for casual use. For the price, you're getting a lot of quality for your investment. So, to recap, the Ohio 60-watt speakers are great for budget-conscious gamers. The Edifier MR3 offers high-res sound for music production. The PreSonus Iris 3.5 provides accurate audio in a compact size. The Mackie CR3.5 is versatile for gaming and casual listening. And the Edifier MR4 is perfect for serious audio production. No matter your needs, there's a fantastic option here for under $500.